This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Subaru Forester license plate bulb. First, gather your tools, which typically include a small flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the lights are off before you begin any work. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the license plate light housing, usually found above the rear license plate on your Subaru Forester. This preparation step is vital for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's access the bulb. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry open the clear plastic lens cover. Be careful to apply only light pressure to avoid breaking any of the small plastic clips or the housing itself. Once the lens is off, you will see the bulb socket. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the housing. This will expose the old bulb, ready for removal. With the socket removed, you can now replace the bulb. Simply pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. It should come out easily. Take your new replacement bulb and firmly insert it into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Before reassembling everything, it's a good idea to test the new bulb. Briefly turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly. This saves you from having to redo steps later. To finish up, twist the bulb socket clockwise to secure it back into the housing. Make sure it's snug and won't come loose. Then, carefully snap the clear plastic lens cover back into place. You should hear a small click, indicating it's properly seated and sealed. Your license plate light should now be fully functional. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay prepared and hydrated on the go. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.